podcast. Today we talk about how can you change your name on your Lemon app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down here, you click on this sign down here. When you just click on it, it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. So then all you have to do now, you just click on edit profile, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list. Then you come to name here and you just click on it. So then here can you change your name. Then you click here on done. Then it's going to change with you. That's all you have to do to change your name. So that's all. I wish you I get it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.